Hey everyone, I'm back with a new video. My name is Love. If you've never watched my videos before, if you have, thank you for coming back. Today I am going to be reviewing another bob. Not this one. This is the video I've already done. This is the bob from A to Z wig. If you like this hair, I'll link it in the card somewhere. But today I'm going to be reviewing a wig from Doheroine. I think that's how you say it. Doheroine. That's how it says. So here is the box. If you follow me on Instagram or on Snapchat, you saw that I opened the box yesterday and I was excited, okay? I'm gonna insert the clip somewhere of me yesterday wearing it, but it was such pretty packaging that I just had to come back up here and show y'all how it came. So I put it exactly how it was in the box. Yesterday I actually got a huge package. I'm gonna show y'all what I got yesterday. So yesterday I got the wig from Doheroine. I got another wig from A to Z Hair. I got bundles and a closure. And I ordered this piece right here. I'm gonna talk about this piece in another video. I'm gonna talk about things you need if you want to start your channel. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. But let's get back into this hair. This is what you're here for, okay? So I'm gonna read you some of the details before I even open it because I'm sorry, I was impressed. Okay, so this is a 12-inch short bob wig, Brazilian straight human hair, 130 density, no waist. It is a glueless machine-made wig for women, and it is 150 grams. It does have a bang. I haven't had a bang since middle school. I can't even probably find pictures of me with a bang. That's how long it has been. So enough talking. Let me show y'all. So there's a small little sticker. We open it and then, hold on, let me not tilt it. So when you open it, it comes like this. So inside, there is an information card and it says, okay, if you get their hair and you send them an email with a review, you get $5. But if you do a video, you get $20. That is 4 cookout trays. And it has an email address, and I think that's their WhatsApp information. And then you get 2 wig caps. And it's the light color, so you can do a ball cap. If you don't know how to do a ball cap, watch my video because I taught y'all how to do that. And I taught you how to remove it. You're welcome. So here is the wig. Okay. And first of all, let me open it. I'm gonna show you. So it has the standard hairnet on it. Okay. And let me not mess it up. Here is the tag for the wig. It's really cute. I thought when I first opened it, I honestly thought it was a perfume sample. So it says unprocessed natural hair. I don't know if you can see that. Unprocessed hair. You can dye it. Oh, no dye, no bleach, no perm. And it says Doheroine. And then it says their name again. And it says what you may do to your hair. You may apply or spray a leave-in conditioner after washing hair to protect from heat. You can do any chemical service. You can brush it from ends to root. Do not use excess heat. Do not perform a chemical service without supervision of a professional stylist. You may overprocess your hair. Do not go to bed without wrapping, braiding, or placing a sleeping cap. So basically, treat this like you would treat your real hair, basically. Don't do no dumb stuff to it, okay? So here is the wig. This is in a lace front. You don't have to glue it down. I'm gonna show you the inside construction of the wig. There's no clips in it. There is an adjustable band. I have a small head, and this fits me, but I have a small head, so I'm gonna add an adjustable band right here real quick. But other than that, you really don't. This is one of those wigs you can just throw on and go, really. This is a wig for the lazy girl. So I'm going to get the bump out of the wig, and I'm gonna have to cut the bang a little bit because you see it's in my face. It's really cute though. Like, I honestly did not know what I was gonna do with a bang because I haven't had one since middle school. And it's cute though. It's really cute. It's really cute. Giving me, what's her name? Velma vibes. I was gonna dye this wig, but this is really cute. I might end up ordering one myself and dyeing the other one because this is cute. Y'all remember those hats we wore in middle school? Well, at least I was in middle school. Those hats we wore in middle school, they were like bonnets, but like crocheted almost. And we would wear them, we would have a bang out and have them like right here and have them in. I gotta find one because I feel like I gotta have one with this for the culture. Okay, so let me just get that. Ooh, that'll be cute behind the ear. Ooh. Okay, let me get the little second bump out. And this is a 12-inch wig, by the way. So I think I'm going to go with like majority of the hair behind my ear, just a little bit in front of it. This kind of gives me like an anime vibe. So I'm not the best with cutting bangs. I haven't done it in a long time, but I do know this is too long for me. And when you do your bang, you should fringe it. I can low-key work with this. I low-key want to go up. Let me bump it first and see, because I don't want to get carried away and then my bangs be right here. Let me see. I don't know. Let me see. Do I really need eyebrows? Do I really need eyebrows? Let's see. Jinkies. Yeah, I need eyebrows. I just can't do that. Yeah, I gotta go up a little bit more. I just don't want to get carried away. You feel me? Let me look at the girl in the picture one time. Let me see if you can see her eyebrows. It was past her eyebrows, but she kind of. Okay, I'm gonna leave it at this length because I ain't trying to mess up my wig. But I'm a fringe it, and this is what I mean by fringe. So, fringing, ooh, I don't want to mess up on the stage either. Fringing is when you kind of like just take it and you just kind of like, okay, let me do it. You kind of just kind of like cut at it, like make it so it's not so thick, but you do it like straight up, so it's like, so you can see through it a little bit. And you don't have to cut your wigs on your head. I just do it because I do wigs enough that I know how I want it to look, and I know I'm not gonna do certain things. But like, I knew there was a good chance that I might mess up my bang. So, but here is the final results of me cutting the bang and styling it. This is how I'm gonna style it today. I'm gonna come back a little later when my battery charges and talk more about the wig.
So I'm sorry about the change in audio, but my camera has some malfunctions. But overall, I'm really pleased with this wig. It is really cute. I've been getting compliments on Snapchat and Instagram all day. I really love this wig. Just a quick run through again. This hair is from Doheroine. It is on Amazon. This wig costs $37.99. If you have Amazon Prime, it only takes 2 days to get here. This hair is really nice. I've been getting compliments all day long. I haven't had to do anything to my hair except maybe retuck it behind my ear. And I like tucking it like this, having like some of the hair underneath the tuck, so that way like it always stays in front of your ears. I was gonna wear some hoops, but I think it just looks really cute with studs. I really like this hair, and this is a really affordable wig. It looks really natural and it's really cute. I'm curious to see how it will look if I curl it. I might curl it. I was thinking about dyeing this hair, but honestly, this hair is just so cute. I don't want to do anything to mess it up. I might have to order another wig and then dye that because I don't want to mess up this one. This one right here, this might be my new favorite. And honestly, I have not done anything bang related in so long that I was afraid to even try this. So that's gonna be my message for this month. September is the month of trying new things. Step out of your comfort zone and just, you know, be adventurous. So I hope you all like this video. I hope you all like this hair because I love it. Even if you don't like it, I love it. Y'all gonna see me wearing this more often. Be sure to like this video, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to put the company's direct link. I'm going to put their social media links below. And if you have any questions about the wig or anything else, just comment below. And I'm always very fast about replying to stuff like that. All I really did with this wig was add an elastic band by choice because I have a smaller head. And I fringed the bang and cut it so that it wasn't like, so that I could see. I think that's about it. Overall, it's a really cute wig. Go buy it. It's only $37.99. You cannot beat this because this looks good. This looks really good. And it's like, it's sexy, but it's sassy. Like, it's sexy without being too grown. Like, this could be your work wig. This could be your going out wig. This could be your wig you just throw on real quick. You don't gotta use no lace. You ain't gotta have no cute braids underneath. This is the wig you need. This is the wig you want. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.